For example, many people with third-class tickets were poor. They wanted to ride on the Titanic from Europe to America. They did not plan to ever return to Europe. They were going to start a new life in America. But even the poor third-class passengers felt special on the Titanic. All of the rooms on the ship had water for washing in the room. This was something many of the third-class passengers did not have at home.
On April 10, 1912, the Titanic started on its first trip. It was traveling from Southampton, England, to New York City in the United States.
4 days into the trip, the captain received warnings about icebergs. These large pieces of ice float on the ocean, and several large icebergs were in the path of the Titanic. However, the captain was not concerned about the ice. He believed that it would not damage the ship. At 11 o'clock on April 14, the Titanic hit an iceberg. The ice did cause damage. It made a large tear on the bottom of the boat.
Cold, icy water poured into the bottom of the Titanic. It filled a few of the watertight rooms. Soon, because of an engineering mistake, most of the watertight rooms were filled with water. The Titanic began to sink.
People on the ship were not prepared. They did not know how to get off the boat safely. There were lifeboats, small boats that could float, but there were not enough lifeboats for all the passengers. Even worse, the crew of the ship did not fill the lifeboats. Many more people could have escaped.
In this situation, some people showed great bravery. One famous example was the ship's musicians. They knew that they would not escape, so they sat with their instruments and played music for the people left on the boat. Some people reported that they played the Christian song, "Nearer, My God, to You." The words of this song speak about how God is close in difficult times.
But soon the ship was sinking fast. It broke into 2 pieces, and many passengers fell into the cold water. They died quickly from the extreme cold. Others drowned inside the ship, as the escaping lifeboats only rescued 13 people.
At that time, the rule was that women and children escaped first. So more than 90% of the men on the ship died. Most second and third class passengers also did not escape.